Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel where you are going to master cloud and FinOps. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel so that you will get the notification about my forthcoming uploads. So via this video today we are going to talk about the importance of automation. Automation is a well-known topic and everybody knows, heard this phenomena in the different cloud while working on a different hyperscaler. So everybody knows like automation can help us to optimize the overall cloud adoption. The key benefit of having automation is the effort optimization, obviously, and second important area is the consistency. So you will get the standardization across the infrastructure. While we have these benefits of the automation, there is always a risk of safety and security. So if the code will be vulnerable or scripts will be vulnerable, it can do any disaster as well, right? So in that view, the key responsibility of the individual is to review the code or review the scripts before we implement it in an environment. Best way is to test it in the test environment or development environment and then put it on the production. So you can always collaborate with the FinOps practitioner and they will help you to have an in-depth analysis of the particular code or scripts in terms of safety and security. Now, today, when we have these benefits as well as risk, now the question will come whether we should go for a automation or not, right? Whether we should implement automation or not. So, answer to this question is always it depends on the scenario. So, before implementing any automation, the individuals need to be aware with the outcome, what they want to achieve with that automation. And second is that whether doing the automation is worth or not. So for example, if you are doing some automation for one activity where you are spending maybe 5 minutes per day or maybe 30 minutes per month, example. Now, if you will put investment of 4 working days to achieve that automation, it is not worth, right? So in that case, always it is worth to decide first whether it is really worth to implement the automation or not. Otherwise, it is always not necessary to have everything automated. So assume that you work with different stakeholders, FinOps practitioner, and you decided to automate one particular task. What you need to take care is that there should not be any adverse effect of your automation on other activities. And usually we call it as a automation conflict. So this is a very common phenomena. Maybe you have not heard this phenomena in day-to-day work, but when you are doing one automation, it could impact other production activities. So example which I mentioned here is auto scaling. So today probably you have designed the automation which will auto scale the resources. But might be there is another tag-based automation tool which usually delete the resources which are not properly tagged. So now what you have to do while designing the auto scaling automation, you need to ensure that you are following the proper tag based strategy in your automation, right? Then only this automation will work in parallel with the earlier existed automation. So always it is preferred that one automation need to be aware about the functionality of other existing automations. So automations should know each other, what exactly they are going to do. So only doing or automating the things on the fly will not help. Always you need to assess whether it is really needed or not. If yes, how it is going to impact on other things, what are the dependencies between the previous automations, and then you can design a scripts or automation tools which will be fit to the business need. So this particular video was not about writing the automations or how we can automate the things, but you need to understand the how the automation can impact our day-to-day work. And that is whole objective of my this video. I hope you got this particular point. In case if you have any further query, feel free to put it in the comment section and I will try to respond you in the comment section based on your query. And do not forget to press share and subscribe button so that you get the notifications about my upcoming video. So that's it. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Stay safe.